Okay, guys, try to look cute for you, but
she's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile.
hi guys, I'm at Frenchman's Cove. You know, I have to be wearing this mask thing, but I think the beach is kinda packed. Not sure. I am trying to pop up my camera. See, I have a lot of stuff. Trying to pop out my camera every chance I get, but I always have so many stuff in my hands. But I'm gonna try to show y'all how the place is looking. I love nature. Guys, this is a little walk, and my camera, I don't know what's wrong with this thing. I think I need to, you hear how I'm blowing out of breath? Unfit, I tell you, because I'm walking up this little hill. But never fear, we're gonna exercise over here. Oh child. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. I'm sorry if I'm looking at the viewfinder. So sorry.
I'm in a tropic club.
Hi guys, so I'm in Portland and this is so beautiful. I'm actually waiting on one of the guys to get a chair for me, but I got so excited that I wanted to show y'all how beautiful this is. I'm on the beach and I decided to get some KFC. I don't know if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I got this bottle of mine on my birthday, so I'm just drinking it. And blankets, really my cosmopolitan. This is a vibe. I like to, people are looking at me like crazy, but it's a vibe. You know, I'm a vibe. Today I don't care. Hold on. Don't know if you're seeing it. I had these shades to wear, but there's no sun out. There's no sun out and I look crazy. So it's to go with my retro theme. But yeah, this is my vibe right now. So I'm gonna eat and then try to go in the water. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. I probably need to stop saying that. So yeah. Literally like cut y'all, but cheers to, I wanted to do this even though I already started drinking. I want to say, because I wanted to include y'all, cheers to this YouTube journey and me getting to know y'all and y'all getting to know me. The camera kind of tilts over, you know, but this is for y'all. Cheers! Guys, the sea is so rough.
were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our light afire, knowing we couldn't hire, but we didn't know that.
So I'm at Frenchman's Cove and I'm swinging. I had a whole bottle of champagne. I don't know, people are talking, you probably can't hear me, but it feels so good to take a little road trip and do something new. People are staring at me because they don't understand what is happening. But it's not how I'm risking it all for y'all. You better tell your friends about Simply Danzy. Please to like and subscribe. You know? Because I want to take y'all places. Swinging in and out of people's lives. I'm joking. But I'm swinging. Hopefully we're gonna pop down the people on the train. But let me look cute for y'all. This is breakfast. This is baked bean, saltfish, pressed plantain, and they say toast, but I say wheat bread. And I'm not sure what type of juice this is. I'm assuming it's apple.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our light afire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So
Hi guys, I am on a boat. I am nervous as hell. Okay, deal.
Alright, so this is where the Blue Lagoon Bar and Restaurant used to be. It was originally built by Warner Brothers for the movie Club Paradise and Robin Williams. Got this right, Ivan. Michael Leach purchased the property, so I went up here. But we don't know when yet, yeah? Person per night. Comes with your waiter, your housekeeper, and your chef. Most of the playtoys that come to the house again, like the boats, the bikes, the
That's
lights.
cool.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this side.
guys, I am in Portland. It's raining. I know you can't see the background. Listen, I'm nervous as hell because you see me with the light flare. I'm not leaving it.
In a tropical.
Say hi, Captain. Introduce yourself.
Greg is the name. Go on showers.
Okay guys, try to look cute for you, but the wind, you know. But anytime you come to the Blue Lagoon, ask for Greg. Okay, but deserve an award. Guys, please remember to tell your friends to subscribe because you see me out here doing the thing for y'all. Camera, okay guys, this is a turtle, a sea turtle. I don't know if you can see it well.
See my move.
He's moving.
Yeah. See my brother here.
Oh guys, he don't want to be on Simply Danzy. But hey turtle, hi.
Keep videoing. He's surfacing. See my brother right now.
Yeah.
Still seeing popped up?
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Oh, there we go. I got it. I open it to look like it's deep. But we're 65 right under the boat is what, 65 meters you said?
Yeah.
Deep. Guys, I'm 5 feet 4, okay? So this is very nerve-wracking, but I'm gonna show y'all on the camera and I'll be behind the camera because I need to see, I need to help, you know, Greg drive this boat, you understand? So this is beautiful though. This is gorgeous. This nice.
Mineral spring. Fountain of youth to make you feel 10 years younger when you swim inside.
But I can't swim, but I feel like we're good. You know, take a dip. I'm all about the youthfulness. I am all about it. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful.
Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I pray.